Follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine, time, and money to run concurrently. And the court will take in consideration 2026 PF 01338.
Morning.
Good morning. Hello. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013410, State versus Leanne Garcia. Can I have parties announced? For the state?
Galloway for state.
Dwight Chumley for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Garcia? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Garcia, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Absolutely.
Ms. Garcia, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Do you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand?
This is where the plea agreement becomes concrete. 6 months in county jail and an $800 fine for a state jail felony. Once she confirms understanding and waives appeal, the judge can immediately impose sentence. Every safeguard is addressed before freedom is restricted. So here's the real question. Is this accountability or simply a strategic legal compromise?
Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine and there are no applications. They will take in consideration 2026 PF 01338. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
The record states one in the prosecution.
No objection.
State you may be excused. Oh, do you? Thank you. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we'd just like you to follow the plea bargain.
All right. Court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine, time, and money to run concurrently. And the court will take in consideration 2026 PF 01338. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you review the waiver of appeal? I'm sorry, did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Is this anticipation of a judgment satisfied or no?
Not yet. It's, what, 40 days? 60 days.
All right, so here's the thing about that. Sometimes when you're in general population, for every day you're in there, you get 2 days credit. I'm not in charge of whether you get 2 days credit or 3 days credit. That's something that the Bexar County Jail does. So I have no jurisdiction. If you think you should get 2 for 1, I have no jurisdiction to force them to give it to you. All I can tell you is under my sentence, the most you will have is 6 months, and I've given you credit for any time that you've been in custody. Now, the other thing, it appears you may have some substance abuse issues. When you're released from jail, you need to get help. If for some reason you can't find help, if I'm still here, you come back here, I will pick up the phone, call somebody to find a place for you, because no good can come of it. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. Who's next?
Page 2, fourth one down. Bubbles and bubbles.
In the end, the court followed the plea bargain. 6 months in jail with credit for time served and an $800 fine because she waived appeal. The judgment is final. The judge also warned about substance abuse and future consequences. The sentence is short, but the impact may not be if you found this case as interesting as we did. Make sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more real courtroom breakdowns.